Hi guys, this is Ishita, your guide for today, and today we will be learning how to use Insta360 X4 Riding Combo. Now let's see what's inside the box. It comes with Insta360 camera and its case, a battery, a SD card, a 3-in-1 motorcycle mount, an invisible selfie stick, a handlebar mount, a helmet camera strap mount, and an USB cable. Now let's learn how to assemble everything. Just insert the SD card inside the SD card slot. Next, slide in the battery and lock it properly. Make sure that the orange color is not visible. Now your camera is ready to record. With this riding combo, you'll get 3 different mounts, and now we'll learn how to mount them. First, mount the handlebar mount on your bike's handle and rotate it and tighten it. Make sure that it's sturdy enough. Then take the camera, then on top of the handlebar mount, you'll find a screw. Place your camera on top of it, rotate it and tighten it. And now you're done. Now let's learn how to mount it on a camera strap mount. Now take the base mount and screw it to the bottom of Insta360. Now take the camera strap mount and insert it. You'll get a screw. Use that screw to tighten it. And now we'll mount it on the helmet. While mounting, make sure that the 2 straps are on top and the single one at the bottom. Then take each strap and lock it. Now take the strap, put it inside the lock and clip it. Do the same with the other end. And after mounting, it will look something like this. Now that we have mounted everything, let's learn how to use it. Now to turn it on, press this power button for 2 to 3 seconds. And now it's on. Now click on this camera button in the left bottom corner and you will get different modes. Choose accordingly. We also have single lens and 360 degree. Now to start recording, click on this left button and it will start recording. Once you click on this left button, you'll see this red button blinking. This means it has started recording. Now to stop recording, click on the same button again and it will stop recording. Now in order to see what you have recorded, swipe from the left side and you will get the video. During the ride, if you want to control your camera using voice control, swipe it from the top, tap on the voice control and toggle it on. Now you can use commands like this to control your camera. For example, start recording. Stop recording. Now that we are done with the recording, let's learn how to transfer the footage. There are 2 different ways to transfer the footage. First, using the SD card. First, take the battery out. Now remove the SD card. Now take the SD card and put it in your laptop's SD card slot. Now go to File Manager and click on SD card. And then you'll find all the footage here. Now for the second method, go to App Store or Play Store and install Insta360 app. Once the app is installed, you'll get something like this. Allow it. Then it will search for a device. Make sure that your camera is on. Now connect it. Once the Bluetooth is on, click on Confirm on your camera. And now you can see all the footage from your camera on your phone. In order to download the content, click on the video and click on the share button and click on export. And now you have the footage on your phone. Now that we have learned how to share the footage, let's learn how to charge it. Take the USB cable that you'll get with the combo and connect it with the charging slot in the camera. Click on the charging slot and it will open. Now insert the USB cable and the other end to the adapter and then you can charge it. And then it will start charging. Or you can use any type of C-type charger to charge it. That's it. You're now ready to capture amazing content with your Insta360 X4 Riding Combo. Happy shooting!